young people take part in EU democracy? You can engage with the European Parliament in lots of ways, starting with Together.eu, a community standing up for democracy that connects people from across Europe. Meet up, share knowledge, and get out the vote for elections. The I, or European Youth Event, lets young people, experts, and decision-makers exchange views and inspire each other. Get to grips with the democratic process and enjoy a hands-on experience of European parliamentary democracy in the Ambassador School and Euroscola programmes. Or step into an MEP's shoes with Parliament's virtual role-play game. Got a plan for the future of the EU? Join the conversation at youthideas.eu. Check out the Youth Hub for more opportunities, follow us on social media, or visit our offices across the EU.